Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories with the Lemon. Today, while the engine's out, we're going to look at getting things ready to put on the new exhaust manifold. We've gone for one with a flexi joint because we've had problems with the ones with the fire rings in the past. So yeah, we're going to take the exhaust off, make sure this will fit in place nice and easily, and check the fitting on the back of the head. And then once we've got the head in, we'll continue with this video and get it all hooked up. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be wanting to do is obviously take out this old manifold. So we strap the back up down there, and we try and get it into a position where we can loosen the clamps and hopefully to pull it out.
Twist it and twist it. Will it twist?
Which way, left or right?
Anyway.
Not really.
You get that mallet? Would it come in?
Is it?
No. Yeah, you get some WD-40 on it, I think. You're right.
So we've got the exhaust loose, but now we've got the age-old problem of it not coming up between the subframe.
This won't go down out there, will it?
Might do.
Okay.
So yeah, we need to see if we can somehow get that out without dropping the subframe, or we're going to drop subframe, which isn't ideal because we've got stands underneath it.
I've had this off one, all this lot.
Right.
Two or three bolts. 2 bolts to head back and one there. And then move that over that way.
Try it, yeah. So there's a couple of nuts. There's one back here, 2 back here, I think. Yeah, 2 back here, 1 here. Right, these are all 13 mils. I'm not sure, but let's have a look. Maybe let's go, just lift it up.
That's right, it will go.
No. Just scratch a load of paint off off the back of the firewall as well. Lucky now. It's this thing's in the way. If we take this, can we take this off?
Bloody thing's not on that.
See this bar here, Dad?
This isn't on anything. It's under it. Hang on, very careful.
Yeah, it looks like we're going to have to drop the subframe, which I didn't really want to do, but no other option, unless we want to cut the exhaust.
And there's pipes connected to it.
No. Well, this thing is. Well, is this steering rack part of it as well? It is, isn't it? Fucking hell.
No, you'll pull that out.
You get it back in. I don't know what I'm trying to do here, Dad. It's stuck on the floor. You need to.
It'll turn it over, that's what you want.
Will it go any further back? Lift it up for me. This rack's still in the way. Okay, well, we got it off. I say we, my dad got it off. We had to cut it, as you can see. And the reason we had to cut it is because we couldn't get the bolts on the bottom part of that subframe off. This is the only way we could do it. So we're just going to get the new exhaust, just see how that fits in place. Pull these off now. So yeah, that goes in a lot easier, doesn't it? No, it's all right. That is pretty tight across the top of the bulkhead. So I don't know if we need to just put some heat wrap on it or if we're going to need to bash that in. But yeah, that should be okay though. So I guess the next job is to get our engine back in. Boom, there we go, she's back in. Let's get the exhaust on. So welder's gaskets. Yeah, let's do it.
Hang on. Under it. Oh. Like that.
Lift it up. Now. Hold it there. You push it towards me.
Like that.
Right, that's on. Let me get some nuts on it.
Another one.
Can you just go up under, Dad?
Yeah.
In a second, I need to just go underneath and just lift the exhaust up so I can tighten these up.
Go on, then.
What's that? Okay, can let go, yeah. There we go. That looks like it lines up nicely. Let's get the bolts at the bottom on. Not tighten the bolts in the bottom of the exhaust yet. What's that bit inside the exhaust pipe there, Dad?
It's a piece of...
Does it need to come out?
No, it's got to stay in that. It's too big.
Oh, okay. Have you put it in?
Yeah.
What's that stuff?
It's like gunk.
Like a sealant?
Sealant, yeah.
Have you put some on the smaller bit and the bigger
Oh,
bit?
you got eyeful then.
Oh dear.
Sorry?
Have you put some on the other side of the tube?
No.
The reducer?
I'll put some on the outside that's reduced. Don't matter. I'll put this back a bit. Let's make sure this is right though for me. Rubber. Where's the rubber? There. Yep. How's that give you then?
Looks good.
I'll put some more stuff in this up in here.
Fire gum, this stuff's called, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll put a link to that in the description below if anybody wants to get hold of any.
That. Oh. What is it?
No, it's too long.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. That's our exhaust back on. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget that you can get 20% off e-manual online. Find any manual for any car there. Use the code MK2GS22. There's a link in the description below and the code's there as well. Thanks for watching. The next video hopefully will be putting the rest of the engine back together, doing the last few bits on that. So until next time, see you again. Thank you. Bye bye.